Thank you, Sophia, for that report. Now, a joint committee formed by President William Ruto and ODM leader Raila Odinga to oversee the implementation of the UDA-ODM agreement and the National Dialogue Committee report will begin public consultations in October. Chaired by Agnes Nzani, the team will collect views from across all the 47 counties in a process that could lead to a referendum. The committee has set up 5 subcommittees to engage a wide range of stakeholders, including government agencies, civil society, religious groups, trade unions, youth organizations, and minority communities.
The committee invites members of the public and various stakeholders in the various scheduled forums in the days ahead, as shall be notified. We'll be reaching out to the different groups and members of the public to listen to the different views, to infuse the ideas that are coming in, so that we make sure that the implementation of NADCO and the 10-point agenda is achieved. What are we looking for at the end of the day? We're looking for inclusivity. We're looking to find a policy framework, a legal framework, and a constitutional framework that will give us unity and adherence, so that within our diversity, we still have that unity. We shall undertake inclusive and extensive consultations with members of the public, arms of government, government departments, independent commissions, civil society, trade unions, religious institutions, academia, youth organizations, persons with disability, and women and minority groups, among others.